Ayan, maganda na ako. So, lulutuan ko muna yung sister ko ng food kasi nag-fasting siya. And nag-request siya actually ng sopas. Pero tinatamad ako. And wala kaming carrots. So, lulutuan ko na lang siya ng pasta. Ito lang yung ingredients niyan. Pasta ko is garlic and capers, olive oil, mushrooms and olives, and sun-dried tomatoes, and some pasta. Ang hirap magluto na kasama yung anak, ha? Okay, nandiyan na daw siya. Hi!
Cheery!
Get her.
Oh, madumi pa ako. Let me just wash my hands first.
Good.
Antonio! Hi, Eddie! Oh! Miss Auntie? Oh! Look at you. You're so big already. Let's eat.
O, ayun naman.
Bon
Kaya ka
appetit.
muna.
Thank you for having me. Parang gutom na ako. Alam mo, actually,
Buong araw ka ba hindi na to?
Mas puyat ka pa sa akin din, honestly.
Ano ka ba? Nagpapadede ako eh.
Maski na, tapos nag-jam ka pa.
Bakit gusto mo ba payat na payat?
Sobrang kapit. Kasi payat.
Hindi po mamamatay ka na. Hindi po nga hanginin ka na ng hangin.
Gusto ko kasi dun yung payat mo. As in like this bone skin over here will stick onto my... No, you're not trying, Amira. I know you very well. No. Just a minute. Just a minute, okay? We're just gonna finish our food.
We're gonna go out.
Okay.
I'm not joking.
Okay. Go on ahead. Put her in the chin. Let her
We're
watch
gonna
that.
go
And let her watch
party,
that animal.
Eddie.
Put her in the chin. Let her watch that
We're
animal.
gonna go to a G's house.
Okay.
Sleep over.
Okay.
Such a nice husband. You rock, Eds. Living Amira here with you.
That's fine.
But at least just get the most important ones after the last shot that she got from the...
Pinagbe-bake naman ako nung isa. Kailangan ko daw mag-bake. So, since nag-coffee kami at hyper ako, magbe-bake muna ako ng banana bread. Ano ka ba? Kailangan ng ilaw. Sira na yung ilaw eh. Diba? Para siyang disco. So, first, I'm going to bake some banana bread. Banana cake. Banana cake.
Banana cake, Eds. Yeah, I know. This girl doesn't know what she's doing.
Banana cake or banana bread?
Banana cake.
It's the same thing. Cake and bread, it's the same. Tara na. Punta lang kami ng West Zone to buy the stuff that we need for her momos.
Yeah. What's your last name again?
Cervantes.
Season.
Duh.
Excuse me.
I'm not yet changing my name. Go. Gaganto lang ako.
Eh, parang drive ka, no? Mas lapit mo sa'yo, ano ba?
Hindi. Okay, fine. We will go now. May pera ka?
Wala.
Meron ako.
Okay. Hi everybody, so me and my sister are on the way to the supermarket.
We're actually here na.
We're actually here. We're just going inside.
So, ano nang gagawin natin ngayon?
So right now, we were about to make the momos. We have to prepare them, so I have to do the slicing. Actually, I'm so lazy to cut them into bits, so I need the food processor. So I bought
Look
the
at our light. It's like
Already
disco
had.
light.
Oh, sexy! Send mo na muna sa akin yung picture.
Ano picture?
It's a grocery. Yeah, kadiri naman yung akin yung eh.
Lalatarin niyo naman
Antonio!
siya!
Antonio! Get out! Go out!
Whoa! Hindi tayo lumaki sa ano no bake.
Hindi.
Oven.
Exactly.
Oven lang natin yung oven toaster. Ano yun?
Okay, let's do this. Mushrooms? I need another big.
Wow! What a coincidence! Sobrang addict na ako sa TikTok.
Sobra.
Alam mo ba, minsan hindi kami kumakain kasi hindi ako nakakapagluto. Kaka-TikTok namin. Naka-TikTok ko. My sister's gyoza!
The next day.
Good morning, sister. Here's your coffee.
Thank you.
So, kakagising lang namin. Coffee muna kami. Mag-get ready na kaya tayo?
Ready na tayo.
Maligo ka na.
Eh, paano mas magigising?
Maliligo ako. Mag-ayos na tayo. Tapos magti-TikTok pa ako.
I don't want that.
Hi, Tubi!
Hi, Chubby.
2 hours later.
Sige, TikTok pa. Anong oras tayo pupunta sa IKEA? Tara na. Okay, we're gonna go now. Antok pa ako. Tara na. Uy. Let's go.
Oh.
Okay, let's go. Para makauwi tayo agad.
Kaya nga. Ay.
So, nandito na kami sa IKEA ngayon. Ano bang bibilin mo sa IKEA?
Seeds.
Seeds lang, tsaka
Seeds and baka
side table.
compartment.
Ako, marami akong bibilin. Tingnan natin. Basta mura lang. 5 lang yan.
Fried onions.
Masarap yan.
Magkano pa fried onions?
5.
Wait.
Nakasulat dun.
Yung bag ko na.
Wala naman magnanakaw dito. Ano ka ba?
Sarap. Oh,
Mahal ng salt, 35.
ano mo lang oh.
So, ito yung mga nabili namin. Kain lang kami mabilis kasi
TikTok
super
mamaya
good.
mamaya.
TikTok tayo mamaya. TikTokers for life. Ay! Sorry.
Bakit?
But it's fine. I wasn't able to help you. But it's okay. You're still beautiful. Okay,
Kasi
ma'am.
naiiwan na ano eh, nag-melt.
Hindi siya nagbe-melt.
Nagda-dry.
Ano siya na...
Ang tutunaw doon.
Nag-evaporate siya dahil sa init.
Oo.
Galit ka?
Hindi.
Okay, tara na. Uwi na tayo. Antok na ako.
I'm hungry.
So, nakauwi na kami and magluluto kami ulit. Anong lulutuin mo, La?
Sisig.
Sisig what? Sisig tofu?
We should have to fry this again.
No, it's fine.
Fine, no?
Vegan sisig tapos may sizzling plate kami.
Sige.
Lagay mo siya doon. Hi, baby. Say hi, baby.
Tama yung tofu ko eh.
I can't do anything when Amara is awake. Hi. Go.
Masarap ko may lentil soup.
Talaga, hanap ng wala.
So, syempre, kailangan pag binibreak mo yung fast mo, gusto mo festival yung food.
Alam mo sila, dates muna yung nakain nila.
Tapos fruits.
So, ito na yung sauce natin.
Ala.
Hindi ah. Ayan. Alam mo, ang bilis na araw. Dito ba tayo sa Philippines nun?
Hindi, mabagal na ako sa Philippines.
Ito, ang bilis lahat. Nabibilisan ako ng sobra.
Vamos pa. Guwapo. Siya pinapansin siya, oh. Ang alap.
Uy. Hindi man lang. Sakto lang.
Nagtitiktok na nga lang ako.
TikToker na naman. Sleeping time, babies. Ha? Sexy, oh.
Naantok na ba yun?
Oo, naantok na yun. Night na.
Hindi ko ano.
Good night na.
May bikit na ako. May bikit na ako.
Say good night, Tamara.
Night, Amira.
Moments later.
She'll be a singer one day.
Next morning.
Ano yan?
Okay. Dami, di ba?
Ang dami nga.
Sabi, hi everybody! So, good morning. Today is Friday and
Saturday.
sorry. Cut mo na lang yun. Today is Saturday and I'm off to work. My sister will take me to my house first to drop off the groceries and stuff that we bought in IKEA. And then she's going to drop me off at work. I had a great time this weekend. Till the next time. Bye-bye.